So there it is. That's the 1991 Lotus Esprit SE powertrain. Got it in my shop. Going to be doing some cleaning up before we do any disassembly. Then the goal is going to be to separate the transmission from the engine, put the engine on a stand, and flip it over and take a look at the bearings on the bottom side, and also try to see if I can discern where whatever's getting around one of the sleeves. So stay tuned. It's been out of the car now for a few weeks, and it's been in my storage shed. So I'm just today cleaned up my workshop well enough to move it in here. So in the coming few nights, I'll start taking it apart, see what we find. Stay tuned.